welcome to Tammy's Fitness Jammies. If you haven't been here before, you're soon going to realize that all the workouts on this channel are done in your pajamas, sometimes in slippers, and often with coffee. Now, I'll admit, I haven't been very consistent with uploading workouts here, but now is the time with COVID-19 and my studio is shut down and I'm not training my clients on a regular basis like I have been in person. I have been actually moving my business more online and I want to get Tammy's Fitness Jammies started up again. I already have almost 100 workouts on this channel, but I'd like to add some more and some new material. You can never get enough workout videos and workout ideas, right, to keep you motivated. So this is what I'm going to do for you, is try to motivate you to stay active and stay healthy during this crisis with some new workouts on my channel. So what do I plan to bring to you? Well, I have a couple bodyweight workout videos that I'm going to be uploading over the next couple of weeks. And you need no equipment. And I'm also going to show you how you can work out in your pajamas and in your bare feet or slippers. And you don't need to worry about it because honestly, you don't have to have any special equipment or any special gear or anything like that to work on your fitness, to exercise, to stay healthy. I'm not joking. It's the truth. What you do need is a willingness and dedication to your health. And I'm hoping that my channel can inspire you and show you a way to build your fitness and to establish healthy habits and regular workout routine without feeling like you have to have all this fancy gear and everything. The gear is nice. It's nice to have, fancy sneakers and nice to have, decked out in Lululemon and stuff like that, but it's not required. You don't need it to work out. In fact, you don't even need a fitness mat. I'm on the carpet. So that's all I'm going to say for now. I'm going to let my workouts do the talking. You can expect a couple I'm hoping to upload one per week over the next couple of months. If you like my style and you want more and you want higher intensity workouts, you can always pop over to Tammy Lee TV because that's where I'm uploading a lot of my workouts that are more, there's some beginner workouts on there too, but also for intermediate and advanced fitness levels, as well as athletes. So for runners, cyclists, and triathletes and so forth. And I also have a website, gofitlife.ca. You want to check that out because on there I have full-blown programs. There's a 6-week program on there right now for building glute strength that you can do in your home. And I'm also in the process of uploading a Tammy's Tabata workout series, which will be a large library of full-length Tabata workouts that you can do at home. If you have any questions or comments or special requests for workouts, please post in the comments section below this video. I hope to hear from you and have a great day. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.